again. Sun must not be shining or something. These niggas ain't got enough diamonds or something. They must be rhyming about nothing. I done lost my mind, I am finally pumpkin. This must be perfect timing or something. You grinding or humping. Either way, you not fucking. Run over interruption. Yeah. Self-doubt. Am I that artistic? A 3D mystery? Too many dimensions breaking down even after division. I write with no intentions. I've been sentenced. Life detention. Olympic style. I like precision. I write wishes. Can't sleep. Nightly kicking. Psychic thinking. These things that I've been inking. A trifling past. Master ways. Grab a cage. Everything in reverse. Hit 'em where it hurts. Tell Columbus. I am the first. Long road. Thrown on the side with dirt. If you materialistic, I've been designed in dirt. Every stitch for this design to work. In and out is the mind of sword. In and out, kill who behind the sword. Y'all probably can't see me because I'm behind the Lord. Pull on my vocal cords as I roar. Too much shit to adore, but it's a different feeling in my core. I guess I enjoy it. I guess they love me cause I can see the way they spoil me. But I'm heating up. Can y'all see the way I'm boiling? I hope y'all enjoy it. Can you stand on it like hot coals then? I came from the bottom dirt. They put the soil in. It's spotted on my face. They put the mold in. I'm going. Green light. Everybody disappeared when I tried to make sure the team right. Shit don't seem right. Now I'm by myself with a loud mouth, doing me like. Trying to show y'all what the tea like. Trying to show you what it's like at night when you ride under the moon. Got shit to say for the stars. Shit could be so easy and they making it hard. Damn. Log in. Cause once you catch me, you know I give no pauses. Unless something on my mind. Something always on my mind, so I ain't never thoughtless. It's been sitting too long, it's getting soggy. They gon' have to outline this, put the chalk in. One hand, Randy Moss shit, Viking. Same shit, that's Dyke shit. How you like it? I hope you love it. If it's life, smile for the judges. Dearly beloved, take this picture. I mean mugging. Need you here, but I don't need nothing. I don't even like to show my face. Hope they don't hit me with no open case. That'll be a disgrace. That'll be a slap to the open face. They made me moan and wait. YOLO. Still carrying weight like an old soul.